Hey everybody, Jack Boyles with Steam Engines USA, and today I'm showcasing this Jensen Model 50. This steam engine was acquired a little over a year ago and went through a little bit of a restoration. The cast iron base for both the generator and the steam engine was painted, the flywheels, the magnets on the generator, everything was cleaned and polished. Some new screws installed, new gaskets, boiler was cleaned and polished, a new heating element, the hot watt heater was added in the middle of this one, new wiring for the existing two heaters, and then the existing two heaters are in this one, and the belly heater, rewired the belly heater on this particular one. The firebox was painted black, and everything was just cleaned thoroughly and reassembled, new gaskets. Everything's kind of a little finger tight, so I haven't run this steam engine since putting it back together. I figured I'd let the new owner do that. It is I have run it on air, and it runs very smoothly. Great little engine. This one has a little drain valve up under here. I've only seen a few with that, but just a super nice Jensen Model 50 steam engine. This was probably 1960s version. And just a really nice engine. So if this is something you're interested in purchasing, just let me know in the comment section below. You can also reach out to steamenginesusa.com. There'll be more photos posted of this. And these sale currently new, they're about $5,000 for a new one. This one is more of a vintage piece. It would have been built by Tom Jensen Senior in the 1960s, and just overall really nice steam engine. So, and to give you a little bit of a combination on the color, the original color would have been like this one here, with the salmon colored firebox, the light blue base. So both of those are pretty much the same year. This one's a little bit newer, with the round tag, the square tag. So it's probably early 60s. But I think it came out really nice. Looks really good. I love the color combination. And this one is available for sale. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.